Hello students, I am Surbhi Gupta and today we are discussing class 8 topic, that is comparing quantities. In the last video, I have discussed with you some of the basic introduction of the chapter comparing quantities and the basic questions related to it. In this video, we are going to discuss the questions related to discount percentage, mark price, sale price. So we are doing questions based on that. Let's start with the first question. You have given the list price of a frog is rupees 220. What do you mean by the list price? List price is the marked price. When you go to the market to buy something, then the price written on the tag is the list price. The price given to you by the shopkeeper that is written on the tag is the list price, which is also known as the marked price. So this is your marked price, or you can say list price. A discount of 20% is announced on sales. That is, a discount percent is given to you is 20%. You are getting a discount of 20%. What is the amount of discount and sale price? You have to find out that how much discount is given to you, that actual amount, and the sale price, the price after discount, that is sale price, right? So let's start with the question. First of all, whatever given to you is write down on the paper. Whatever is given to you, first you have to make a note of that so that it is easy to solve out the question. So the mark price is rupees 220. What is the discount percentage? The discount percent is 20%. So here the discount percent is 20%, right? You have to remember the formula to find out the discount. Discount percentage is discount upon mark price into 100. This mark price is represented by capital MP. Okay, so I am writing the short form here. Discount upon mark price into 100 is your discount percentage. Put the values. What is the discount percentage? 20. What is the discount that we have to find out? What is the mark price? 220, and multiply by 100. Take all the values to your left hand side and keep the discount on this side only. So discount will come out to be 20. This denominator goes to the numerator and this numerator comes in the denominator. So this 0 cut down with both the zeros. 22 into 2 is rupees 44. That means a discount of 44 rupees is getting, you are getting a discount of 44 rupees on this mark price. Right? Now, what we have to find out, we have find out the discount. Now, the next thing that we have to find out is the sale price. So, what is the formula for sale price? Discount is equals to mark price minus sale price. What is the discount? 44 rupees. What is the mark price? 220 minus sale price. So can you find out the sale price from here? Yes. Take the negative sale price to this side. It will become positive sale price. And this positive, when goes from this side to this side, becomes negative. So it comes out to be rupees 176. So this is your final price of the frog which you get from the shop. Right? So in this way you can solve this question. Coming to the next question. Coming to the next question. A table marked at rupees 15,000 is available discount upon mark price into 100. What is the discount? 600. What is the mark price? Into 100. These three zeros cut down with these three zeros, and 15 fours are 60. So 4% is your discount percent, right? So in this way you can do this question. Coming to the third question. The third question. After allowing a discount of 15% on the mark price of an article, it is sold for rupees 680. Find the mark price. Now in this question, they are saying that after allowing a discount of 15% on the mark price. We don't know the mark price. They are saying they are giving a discount of 15% on the mark price, and then the selling price will be this. You have to find out the mark price. Let the mark price be rupees X. What is the discount they are giving? 15% of mark price. That is 15 by 100 of X. Right? We have to find out the mark price. We know the formula is discount is mark price minus sale price. Discount is 15 by 100 into X. Mark price is X and sale price is 680 rupees. Take this constant to this side and variables to this side. It will become, take the LCM, it will become 100x minus 15x, right? We are doing it on the top. Now, 100x minus 15x is 85x upon 100 is equals to 680. This becomes x equals to 680 into 100. This goes to the numerator. This comes in the denominator. When you cut down, the value comes out to be 800. So this is your mark price which we have to find out. In this way you can do multiple questions based on comparing quantities. I hope the topic is clear to you. Thank you very much.